This is one of the weirdest sound fonts out there, I think, for a lightsaber, and it's actually included standard. It's part of the standard font bundle for Crystal Focus 10 CFX soundboards. And, well, without further ado, let's fire it up. All right, you guys, what do you think of that? Do you think that's one of the weirdest sound fonts? Do you have a weirder sound font that you know about? Feel free to comment below. This one is a cat-inspired sound font, obviously. Has some strange sounds going on, and a rainbow blade, and it's sort of like a jamming, a sort of a dance party type of thing going on. So, yeah, I guess this one could be popular at parties, or also annoying, depending on how you look at it. But anyway, just wanted to kind of share that with you and give a little bit of commentary. But again, I'd really like to hear from you, so comment below with your thoughts.